guys, it's Prime Score from Shockbyte, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize game rules on your Minecraft server. Game rules allows you to change your Minecraft server without having to install plugins or mods or any nifty cool tools. This is just vanilla Minecraft, simple mechanics that you can change. So, to see all the game rules that you can alter on your Minecraft server, just type in /gamerule, and then as you can see, it'll display all of the game rules that you can alter on your current version of Minecraft. Essentially, I'm only going to go over some big ones in this video, but if you have a question on what some of these smaller ones do, like log admin commands, you can head over to the Minecraft wiki, which has an extensive list of everything that you need to know about the Minecraft game rules and how you should use them. So to start off, how do we use the Minecraft game rule? So we're going to pick a game rule. But first we're going to type in /gamerule space, and then we're going to pick the game rule. I'm going to do announce advancements. And so what that does is when a player gets an achievement or an advancement, normally it would display to the whole server. Be like, Prime Score just achieved the digging dirt for the first time achievement. Whoop-de-doo, yay, give them money. And if you don't like that, you can just set this to false. And then it says game rule announce advancements have been updated to false. So now that won't ever happen again. Now let's do one that involves a number. So spawn radius. And what this does is when a player first joins on a Minecraft server, there's this spawn radius that we're going to alter where this player can randomly spawn. So if you join a vanilla Minecraft server and your friend joins one like 3 seconds later, you might spawn 10 blocks away from where he might spawn. And so to change this, you can change the spawn radius to be bigger or smaller. So I changed it to 20. So within the spawn point on the server, 20 blocks around it, players have a chance to spawn, to spawn at that point randomly. And so that's basically what that does. And so that's how you alter your the game rules. I can go over some more of the bigger ones right now. So ones that you probably will use. So show death messages, whether or not you want players or the server to send death messages to everybody when somebody dies. That might get boring when you keep seeing that Prime Score kept dying by a creeper non-stop. The next one is do mob loot. This is true or false. So set this to false if you don't want your hostile mobs like creepers or endermen to drop any mob loot. Do mob spawning. So this only refers to natural mob spawning. So if this is set to false, there will be no hostile mobs that will spawn, or no mobs in general that will spawn naturally. So in the dark, when it goes nighttime, no mobs will spawn. But mobs will spawn unnaturally. And what's unnatural about mob spawning? Mob spawners. So those are considered unnatural mob spawning, and mob spawners will still spawn mobs if you have this set to false. Do weather cycle, whether or not you want the weather to cycle. So do you want rain and all that? No, turn that up, set that to false. Disable Elytra movement check. So this is more complicated. What this does is that if you're experiencing any like jittering when you're flying your Elytra in your Minecraft server, and you love how smooth it is in your single player world, but it's not quite smooth on your multiplayer world, set this to false, and that'll fix all of your issues. But what is a movement check? A movement check is where the server checks the player's movement behavior to prevent any hackers from randomly flying around your server. And so if you do disable this, if a person is wearing an Elytra, they are able to fly wherever they want. So if they are a hacker, all they have to do is set an Elytra on their back and fly anywhere they want. But if you trust your players and it's a close-knit community, just disable this, and there you go. They're able to fly without any jittering or lag. And then let's go with another one. Keep inventory. Do you want players to keep their inventory when they die? If so, set this to true. Otherwise, it's naturally set to false, so keep it at false. Anyways, if you have any more questions on what some of the game rules do, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, like I said before, check out the Minecraft wiki. It has a great list of information pertaining to all of these game rules. Otherwise, head to our website if you have any other unrelated questions or related questions. We will be happy to help you there as well at shockbyte.com. Just send us a ticket. Anyways, thank you for watching.